on behalf of one of Nigeria's most promising newspapers, champion newspapers, I present.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is about the Emoney and the family. Quite alright. And yes, we all know Matana Yoze has been doing a lot lately. He has been helping, and no, not just lately, for a while, and business-wise, entertainment-wise, in fact, just all around. He's a philanthropist, he's a good businessman, he's a good loving father, you know, a whole lot of beautiful characters to really mention, and he's outstanding as well too. And this one was an award given to him as the best businessman of the year, you know, what should I say, prominent or most active businessman of the year. I believe before they will give him this award, they might have scrutinized so many things to give him this award. Anyway, Kcee received the award on his behalf because he's actually not in the country. Watch the video, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Yeah, so on behalf of one of Nigeria's most promising newspapers, champion newspapers, I present this to the businessman of the year, the champion businessman of the year. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This way. Of the year 2021. His Royal Majesty, Your Royal Highness, where are you, sir?
In spite of fame and fortune, Kcee has continued to keep his personal life, relationships and marriage, and investment private. That's the man. Kcee bought his first.
Ambassador.
Before I invite
Yeah, Hugo, what's up? You ready? Okay, I'm gonna come now. Let me get ready. Showtime. It's Batman Kcee, your wedding guest today.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're not sitting down, we're partying tonight. Come on, let's go, everybody, Everybody, come here,